Okay, so let me see a projection of lamina of circular plate, negligible thickness of 50 diameter, resting on HP on a point A on the circumference. The plane is inclined 45 degree to HP, and the top view of the diameter passing through the resting point makes 60 degree with VP. Now let me make a note of this. What are the given data? As the first one, it's a projection of planes, and it is a circular lamina. The diameter of the circular lamina is 50 resting on HP on a point A on the circumference. So the plane which is inclined is 45 degree to HP, and the top view of the diameter which is passing through the resting point, that is resting point A. Okay, the diameter, it makes 60 degree with VP. These are all the given. Now let me make reference line XY with a 0.13 thickness. I'll take a horizontal line, and let me make X and Y. I'll make a scale of 2 X Y. It's a reference line, VP and HP. Well, we go for a circular lamina. Select a circle, a center point, circle with center point, and select a 0.5 thickness. The diameter is 50 diameter, and we can keep it on HP, horizontal plane, and we have to make it divide into equal parts for making the generators. That is, make a small line, and we can rotate with step angles. So step angle, in the sense, it will give equal rotation. So I will go for 45 degree and a copy option. So it will rotate with the copy option. We can rotate 45 degree fully, step in each step it will have 45 degree each, so that 8 parts, it is divided into equal parts. So now we can draw the projection lines from each point. Now project the lines up to XY reference line. It is projected to draw the front view. So the front view, join this with a thickness of 0.5 mm and join all this, so that we will get to the front view. The line. Okay. Mention the names for the points. So what this is, it's a reference A. We have to take a point A on the circumference. From that, A, B, C, D, E, F. So all the segments, we have mentioned the names for it, so that the front view we can name. When we are seeing from the front view, I can see the A as A dash, B is visible, and H is hidden, so put it in bracket. C is visible, so C dash, and G is hidden, so G dash in bracket. D is visible from this side, and F is hidden, so D dash and F dash should be in bracket. The last one is visible is E dash. We can make an arrangement easy visibility. Okay. We can select the the front view on the letters as for making inclination, the plane inclination to HP. So that let me make select fully and move a copy from here. The angle what it is given is the plane is inclined at 45 degree to HP. So now we have to rotate the front view, rotate the plane, that is which is resting on a single point. That point, from that point rotate the plane and it makes 45 degree to the HP. So rotate it without copy. So we can make it. We can check the angle now, with the angle between the lines. So that is a 45 degree which is given. Now we have to make the top view after the inclination. So the top view we will draw with the projector lines. The projector lines first A, that is the point where this is the first point. We have to make it a 0.13 mm thickness, and from B dash, H dash, C dash, G dash, D dash, F dash, and E dash. So projector lines drawn vertically and horizontally from this first initial position, so that we can draw A to A. Okay, where A, it's a dash, the point. So A to A where it meets, and B to B. Select 0.13 line mm thickness. To draw the top view, we have to project this top and the plane which is inclined, the front view. So try to catch the end points so that it will be correct. F where it meets F, G, select the end point, try to make straight. There should not be any error. If it not get properly, you can extend the line and then trim it. Once if it is done, then we can make naming, and then we can draw the top view. Unwanted lines can be trimmed, and let me go for doing the points wherever the intersection for convenient to draw the top view. It's not mandatory, but for drawing the ellipse or the curve for the top view, if we draw the keep the points in the intersection, so it will be good for drawing that one. So So A dash, B and B dash where it meets, C and C dash where it meets. The intersection of the lines, we can keep the points. Intersection where it comes, there only we have to, if it is extra is there, trim it out. Now it's visible the points of the intersections wherever there. Select the ellipse by 3 points method and we can draw the ellipse. So the ellipse, select the 3 point method, so we can draw the ellipse by selecting the 3 points 1 2 3, and now we can thickness, select is the thickness is 0.5 mm only. Next is the top view of the diameter passing through the resting point, that is AE is inclined to VP. So we have to make the AE. Let me mention the letters here. The top view, the points on the ellipse. Now we have to make the top view of the diameter passing through the resting point. So the top view of the diameter passing through the resting is AE, that is inclined to VP with 60 degree. So now directly we can make 60 degree and we can keep the view, top view. Since it is directly given the top view is inclined, we can make a 60 degree line, the reference XY line. So angle 60 degree you can type. That is positive, and now we can, for the HP, for the top view we can draw 60 degree here, check the angle with the reference line, so it's a 16 now. Now only we need the ellipse, and for the further extension we need the entire ellipse with the lines, so trim it off first, later we can extend that. For this problem we have to make like this. So this entire ellipse is to be rotated and we have to keep it. So we can move the, first we can select as a group of all the things. Make it as a group, and then we can move with a copy command. So this move, copy should be there, this link, and the resting point and the diameter we have to say is AE. So I can select point E for moving. While moving it asks point of move from, so select this, and from where, which point we have to move, that is from point E. Keep the point E in the line which is inclined. So one copy only we moved and the original will be here. Now rotate, rotate this by keeping AE by AE should align with this angle. So this is, we rotated the ellipse, and now we have to draw the projection for the front view. So just to zoom it for drawing the projector lines. Draw the projector lines from the second position, that inclination. Okay. So now projector lines drawn from the front view, and from the top now we have to draw the projector lines from each points with a 0.13 mm thickness, and wherever it meets we can draw the line up to that, and we can B to B dash, C dash, here it meets D here, and it meets D dash, E with E, F, it meets F here, select the end points so that it will give a correct result. Now we have to draw the curve. Before that we can mention the names, and we can give the points. As I said, for making the curve, for visibility, A meets A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash, E dash point, F meets F dash, G dash, and H dash. We can enter the names, we can mention the names for the points by clicking text. Now the front view, so dash, B dash, C dash, D dash, here E dash will come, F dash, G dash, and H dash. So we got the points as well as the mention. Names are mentioned for the points. Now we have to draw the top view as per this. By joining all the points we can make it. So for this the option what we can select is, we can select curve. Okay, so by selecting a curve option we can go, and extra lines can be trimmed later. So select a curve. This curve can be drawn by selecting the points, so that better draw the points, so it will be easier. So now we can draw from anywhere, only the thing is we have to join all the points which is needed. So I started from here, so select at the end points where it, either the intersection point or the end points you have to select to get the correct results. Okay, now this line is over. Select this line for 0.5 mm thickness. Draw this for 0.5 mm thickness is enough, and yes. So now the unwanted or external projector lines can be trimmed off by using trim option. And in the second position we can see the extension lines already we trimmed off, that can be drawn by using extend to the next. The same trim command, we can select the option of that extend next. So go for extend to next. So from this you can extend the lines already what we trimmed off, that now we can extend. Where there is no lines to extend, we have to draw the lines using line command. So go and select the line command. The thickness should be 0.13 mm thickness. Select 0.13. Ungroup and we can move the letters closer to this. As per the given data, we have finished this circular lamina of 50 mm, and it rests on one of a point on circumference A. The A is inclined to 60 degree. That's over.